Hi all, I am Varun Raja, a seasoned professional in the realm of project management. With over 12 years of experience under my belt, I have mastered the art of leading teams and driving projects to success. I am not just an experienced project manager, but also a certified professional. I hold the prestigious certifications like PMP, ITL, and PS. My expertise lies in my ability to effectively communicate, manage risks, and deliver results, ensuring every project I handle is a success. Have you ever pondered over the creation of a RACI Matrix? Well, today is a great day to uncover the mystery behind this powerful project management tool. Imagine a world where responsibilities are clear, communication is efficient, and projects are completed smoothly. That's the world a well-constructed RACI matrix can create. So, how do you get there? It's not as complex as you might think. First off, it's crucial to understand what a RACI matrix is. It's a simple chart that outlines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed in any given project task. Now, let's break these down. The responsible is the person who carries out the task. They are the doers, the ones getting their hands dirty. The accountable is the person who holds ultimate ownership of the task. They're the ones who will answer for the task's success or failure. The consulted are the people who provide input and expertise on the task. They're the ones who give advice and feedback. The informed are the people who need to be kept in the loop about the task's progress. They're not directly involved, but they need to know what's going on. Now onto the creation process. Step 1. Identify all the tasks in your project. Every task, no matter how small, needs to be accounted for. Step 2. Identify who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for each task. Remember, one person can have multiple roles, but there should only be one accountable person per task. Step 3. Create your RACI matrix. Draw up a grid with tasks on one side and team members on the other. Fill in each cell with the appropriate RACI role. Step 4. Review and refine. Make sure everyone understands their roles and agrees with the matrix. This step is crucial and often overlooked. So, there you have it. 4 simple steps to creating an effective RACI matrix. To recap, a RACI matrix is a chart that outlines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed in any given project task. To create it, you need to identify all the tasks and who performs each role for each task. Create the matrix and then review and refine it. Creating a RACI matrix might seem like a bit of extra work up front, but the payoff in terms of increased clarity, efficiency, and responsibility is well worth it. So go ahead, give it a try. A world of smoother project management awaits.